Hello, good day to you. Welcome to this week's edition of Weekly Forex Podcast. As usual on this channel, we'll run through 9 charts of Forex pairs and metals today on Saturdays. Then on Sundays, we upload weekly stock market forecast on this channel. And in the timeline of this video down below, there's a timestamp of the asset we'll be running through in this video. So I hope you find this video useful in your own analysis and your trading. And I'll see you on the next one. Also, do remember to hit the like button down below on YouTube. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a nice trading week. See you soon. On Euro dollar this week, Euro dollar, I've reevaluated this as an ABC expanding flat, and I still think they will give us this drop that will be similar with this to make A, B, C before they resume this climb. Yes, I'm also aware there's a possibility of this being a flat in the making for some upside. This is possible, but I think they are correcting to drop for us downside. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on Euro dollar, on the 4-hour time frame, I think this will correct more and drop for us. So we should watch out for this opportunity back down on Euro dollar this week. Some drops will come through. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame, we'll also watch out for that possible sell downside from Monday away from this corrective climb upside. On pound dollar for this week, pound dollar, I still think this is dropping as I see this as an A, B, C flat, and I expect this will drop down back to this low to continue this impulse downside. Although there is a possibility they will correctively drop down here, retest the top, and then come through with us for this sell. This is also possible. So for now, we'll watch for more sells outside on pound dollar. Resume to 4-hour time frame. We'll watch this correction is coming to give us a flat structure here before more drops will come through. This is what I expect from pound dollar this week. So watch out for more sells to come through. Resume to 1-hour time frame. Yes, watch. This will break downside a bit and come back up for the drop will start. So you want to watch out for that on pound dollar for this week. On Aussie dollar for this week, Aussie dollar, I still think Aussie dollar is going upside as he has been giving us some corrections here on the daily. I think they will test this top before we see if they will drop back down. So I think they are accumulating for a buy here on Aussie dollar for this week. So if we zoom to the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, I'm looking at this as potential A, B, C, and this is coming back upside, or this can be the B wave, which will mean they will retest this low for A, B, C before they will turn back to the top. So we want to watch out for that on Aussie dollar this week. So if we zoom to the 1-hour time frame, we'll watch for a potential drop downside for this C wave, A, B, C, and then they will turn back upside on Aussie dollar for this week. On New Zealand dollar for this week, last week I gave a forecast for a sell on New Zealand, and this week I insist on a sell setup because I can't see how this was all the correction on New Zealand. I just can't see it. Another drop will come through here to at least make that running flat before they will continue the climb. They are going to continue the buy. So for today, this week, we still watch out for sell setup. We zoom to 4-hour time frame on New Zealand. On the 4-hour time frame, they gave a correction here and gave this top, and right now they are dropping. So still watch. You can give us corrections here before they will drop down. I still think that New Zealand is dropping downside, so we want to watch out for that sell setup this week on New Zealand dollar. Zoom to 1-hour time frame. We'll watch for the break of this corrective climb upside for a sell setup. On dollar swings for this week, dollar swings last week gave this aggressive buy upside and has been correcting for the while. I think they will correct there and continue the buy upside, as I think we are looking out for potential this climb. It's what they'll give us here, potential. So we want to watch out for that. We zoom to 4-hour time frame on dollar swings. On the 4-hour time frame, I think this is the A wave of this correction downside. To come back with a B wave, and that is what to watch out for this week. And then we'll see if later this week they'll give the C to complete the correction, and then they will resume the buy momentum upside. So we want to watch out for buys, for B wave and buy as impulse on dollar swings this week. We zoom to 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, this was correction accumulation. I think they will drop down a bit. On dollar yen for this week, dollar yen last week, I said we were looking out for potential buy that was similar with this, and Monday they gave us this huge buy, and I expected them to correct here and continue the buy upside. But I'm surprised by this deep pullback downside, which will mean there's a bigger correction in play here before the buy will start for us. We zoom to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I was looking out for this flat here and continuation upside. I don't like the idea that they are dropping this deep. So since they are dropping this deep, it will mean there's a bigger correction that will have to happen here before they will continue the buy momentum upside. So we want to watch out for that. I will still look out for buy opportunities though, back to this top, because I think this is the correction zone for dollar yen. On dollar CAD for this week, dollar CAD at present, I'm still looking out for this possibility of an expanding flat now. In this case, it will be an expanding flat in dollar CAD for more drops downside. On dollar CAD, all I can see on dollar CAD is here after this correction is complete. So this week we'll watch for the C wave, some buy. I don't like the aggressiveness of this climb. It's too slow. So I think there's a pullback that will come through here before they resume this climb upside. So this week we'll watch for this self downside before buy will resume back. On dollar CAD, resume to 1-hour time frame. So watch for that corrective drop before they resume this climb upside. On dollar CAD. On gold for this week, gold last week was in this aggressive buy upside, and I was then looking for correction because I did not like the buy. But on Monday they gave the drop downside, which confirms that indeed the sell I was looking for was right. So I'm watching after this correction here. I think they will retest this low. Once they tag the low, I will then look out for this climb upside. I'm looking for this wave. This wave will complete this correction for accumulation here, and then we'll watch for the major drop downside on gold. So the next wave is the buy upside once they retest the low of this climb. So we want to watch out for that on gold. We zoom to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I think they will give us another correction here. On silver for this week, silver at present is accumulating here, and once they are through with this accumulation, I think they will drop to retest this low. Once they retest that low, we'll still look out for a climb back up, as I think this was the start of the correction and it will end with a similar wave to that before some drops will come through on silver. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, I think they will give us once again a B wave, a C, and the drop downside. I see this as the A wave. They are potentially giving us a B and a C for the drop will come through this week. So we want to watch out for that on silver for this week. On the 1 hour, this is an accumulation. They give a climb here. I think they will drop back down for us